Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Salesforce certification vouchers. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So this is an article that is talking on this exact topic, and basically we can simply have these steps so we can start to earning some certification vouchers. So basically one of the ways to do it is by passing Trailhead quiz. And basically Trailhead is the training uh, platform for the Salesforce, and basically you need to already have your account here so you can start exploring the quests. So I'm just going to click on explore quests, and from here you will find all these quests. So you can choose any quest that you would like, and those are and each one would be a specific role one. For example, this is an admin quest, those are developer quests, etc. etc. So basically we need just to choose anyone that would give a voucher or certification voucher. So you can see here you will get only here 700 points, and you will need just to search for the ones that would give some certification voucher, and you will get it. Another way to do it is to start as an admin quiz, and basically the admin quiz will give you uh, as you can see, it's already taken too much time to do it, and it might get you one. So basically after that, you can start also participating in the events of Trailblazer, and you can go for the Trailblazer community, which is something also with the Trailhead. And basically, from there, you can be able to start participating and get the prices as certification vouchers. So basically, those are the things that you can try to do to get your certification vouchers for Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.